In an address in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that Ram Janmabhoomi issue can be resolved mutually by talks and an amicable solution can be found. He also said that many Muslim groups from Lucknow have come forward in the recent days with the proposal to hand over Ram Janmabhoomi to Hindus.
सज्जनों, मैं आप सबकी भावनाओं को जानता हूं कि आप लोग क्या जानना चाहते हैं, लेकिन मैं आप सबको इस बात के लिए आश्वस्त करता हूं कि आपकी भावनाओं का हम लोग सम्मान करते हैं और मैं चाहूंगा अयोध्या में भगवान श्री राम की जन्मभूमि से संबंधित विवाद बातचीत के माध्यम से दोनों पक्ष समाधान का कोई मार्ग निकाल सकते हैं तो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार इस संबंध में आपके साथ जहां आप कहेंगे वहां खड़ी रहेगी। हर प्रकार से इस मामले में सहयोग के माध्यम से इस समस्या का समाधान का रास्ता निकालने के लिए आपका सहयोग करेगी और मुझे लगता है कि संवाद का एक उचित अवसर आया है।
Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on his maiden visit to temple town of Ayodhya obviously did not want to disappoint the people here, and therefore he also knew about the expectations that people have from him after gaining his position as Chief Minister of UP, and there was so much that the BJP had promised as regards Ayodhya, as regards construction of Ram Temple over the last so many years, that he had to speak something about the construction of Ram Temple and the resolution of the entire long-standing issue. So therefore he took the middle line, I believe, wherein he said that he believes that a solution to the Ram Janmabhoomi dispute should actually happen by way of dialogue, also because the Supreme Court has also suggested dialogue as a means to resolve the dispute. And he further said that he is conscious about the aspirations of the people, the expectations of the people, but he believes that both sides should actually sit together and resolve their differences as far as Ram Janmabhoomi case is concerned. And he also said that he is happy that a lot of Muslim groups from Lucknow have actually come in to Ayodhya over the last several days, and they seem to be ready to hand over the Ram Janmabhoomi to Hindus for the construction of a grand Ram temple over here.